coming back again to you to give you a little bit of more training on our tax software, which is Taxwise. This is the best software in the market, and it is also the same software that the Internal Revenue Service is using and that they have been using for many years. Again, I'm Dr. Gino Bradley, your instructor, along with our sponsor, Tammy Milton, Lori Milton, and MiltonTax. We all started working with the Internal Revenue Service when we started our tax careers, and this is the same software that we was using then, but it has made some improvements over time. This short video clip is going to just be about logging in so that you can feel comfortable knowing that you're in the right place and everything is working properly. When you come to the login screen, in order to get in, when you log in for the first time, you're going to have to put in your client ID. You're going to have to put in your username, and you're going to have to put in a password. But when you enter it in for the first time, your username and password will be the same. Okay? Now, I don't have to do that right now because I've already done that. So this is what it's like when you come back to log into your software on a regular basis. Save it as a favorite on your favorites bar so that you can easily get to it. But every time you log in, just like today, if I told my computer to save this information, the client ID will be there, my username will be there, it may even save the password for you, but I'm still going to have to go through I am not a robot. Now, to protect your computer, to make sure that nobody steals your client's information or does anything illegal with your private data or your client's private data, it's a good thing to go ahead and lock your computer or log off as soon as you walk away from it. Because as you can see, I can click right here and say I'm not a robot and go ahead and log in right there and get started. So you don't want to have your computer opened or just laying around where anybody can get to it and then people can get to your client's personal information. So that was a very short video on logging in. We'll do just a little short demonstration on logging out so you guys will know what you need to do for that as well. And then we'll move on to the next segment. So when I'm ready to go, I can easily just go ahead and close the screen out, and I'm just going to X out of the screen so that I don't have to worry about actually being there. I can go ahead and just close this window out or close this window here, or go ahead and go to your name and then click log out. It's just that simple. Thank you for watching this short video clip on logging into Taxwise, brought to you by MiltonTax and GBC Worldwide Financial. I am your guest instructor, Dr. Gino Bradley. Feel free to look me up on Facebook and Instagram. If you have a question, inbox me. I'm here to help.